हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ अबाउट सेल्फ डाउट। आई मीन दिस फिनोमिनन इज़ वेरी नेचुरल इन एवरीवन गोज थ्रू सेल्फ डाउट, बट यू नो द सेल्फ डाउट कैन मेक अस और ब्रेक अस। इफ़ वी कॉन्कर सेल्फ डाउट देन इट मेक्स अस, और अगर हम सेल्फ डाउट के विशियस सर्कल में रहते हैं इट ब्रेक्स अस। सो एंड लाइक everyone goes through this, but then we should learn how to combat that is most important. If I talk about myself, I have gone through lots of self doubt a decade before. मतलब because हम जिस जनरेशन से आते हैं वहाँ पे we were not taught about growth mindset and what is fixed mindset. I always had this impression that if a person is great in something, is doing great, that person is blessed with some special quality or born with some special talent, and maybe it cannot be developed. That's how I used to feel before. But I have another extreme quality trait. Like I always have tried to come out of my comfort zone. If I talk about my Shanghai chapter, initially, because by profession I'm a teacher, but I did not get teaching job here, and I always wanted to keep myself relevant. I always wanted to keep that self confidence in me. So I started organizing events for children here, and parents. I used to involve parents. So that was like book clubs kiya, kabhi summer camp kiya, youth environment campaign was for high schoolers, and ये सब initiative volunteer initiatives था. It was not income generating initiative, but under that, what quality I have developed is to come out of comfort zone, especially in a country where there is a language barrier and there is a limited network. I just kept doing, and to my surprise, I got support from people, individuals, organizations, renowned schools, international schools. They collaborated with me, and they have believed in me more than I believed in myself. And that is the greatest learning for me, that अगर आप अपने सेल्फ डाउट को कॉन्कर करने की कोशिश करते हो, then with support of everyone and with results, with good results, you just come out of it, and then the personality which you develop is is at another level. So मैंने अपने आप को relevant रखने के लिए हमेशा comfort zone से बाहर काम किया है. Now coming to the business, the digital business where I am in presently, people have this doubts. People, they doubt on themselves first कि पता नहीं हम इस business में if we'll be successful or not, and then they start doubting on the system. So अगर आप इतने डाउट के साथ किसी भी चीज़ में एंटर करोगे तो it will affect your result. And अगर आप if you won't take decisions, then you won't be able to see the success which other people are doing. Yes, everyone goes through that self doubt, but then they start working on themselves. The biggest strategy to combat self doubt is to work on yourself. The biggest mantra is to work on yourself. Like today I was watching Bob Proctor's video. It was not on self doubt, it was on perspective. And they say that when you change your perspective, when you start thinking about success consciousness rather than failure consciousness, then you start getting results sooner. So we have to work on ourselves. We have to work on our mindset. We have to believe in ourselves. We have to give time to ourselves, to the system. We have to work consistently. And then there are ups and downs, and then we have to just self-reflect and work and make new strategies. That's how things can work. So self-doubt is okay. Everyone goes through that. I think even the most successful person would have gone through that. Even the sportsmen would have gone through that. But they know how to combat that. They know how to